Hello beauty queens and welcome back to the channel. I am Maria, and if you're new here, like, comment, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to join the beauty queens family. So guys, in today's video, it's all about hair care. You know how it be sometimes. So today, I will be doing Cardi B's hair mask. Hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, okay. Okay beauty queen, so at this time I'm going to put all the ingredients into the blender, starting with the banana first. I am slicing it so it will be easier to blend. Then I'm going with the mayo. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of mayo. Then I'm taking the egg, cracking it, and putting it into the blender. Now I'm taking the olive oil and I'm just putting a few drops in it. I'm using about 6 drops in it. Now I'm going with the argan oil and I am using 6 drops as well. And the castor oil. It's about 6 drops. I averaged because my castor oil was almost finished. Now I'm taking the honey and you can use about 1 cover full of the honey. Now I'm taking the avocado and I am slicing it. Oops. Okay, so I am cutting it into smaller pieces so it will be easier to blend. Guys, this avocado was extremely hard to cut. So now it's blend time. So I'm blending it until it becomes like a smoother consistency. We don't want any clumps. So I'm just checking it in between to see if it's the right consistency. Beauty queens, look at the consistency. It's flowing so smoothly. Okay, so now I'm going to put the hair mask into my hair. I already started with the back of my hair off camera, so I'm just doing the top half of my hair. I sectioned my hair into smaller parts already, so it will be easier to put the hair mask. So I'm just taking one plait at a time and loosen it gently. Now I'm spraying it with water so my hair will be a little damp, so the hair mask will be easily absorbed into my hair and my scalp. So I'm starting from the roots to the ends of my hair, really putting the product into my hair so each part can be really moisturized and absorbed by the hair mask. so my camera cut off, my battery died, so I wasn't able to finish recording the video. But this is the final result of my hair. Guys, this hair mask felt so amazing on my hair. It felt so soft and nice. I highly recommend that you try this hair mask. And that's it for today, beauty queens. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, beauty queens.